Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first we have to come see gigabyte.com. This is the official website of Gigabyte, so you can download the driver. Then you can see here search button and then enter your model number of your motherboard and then hit enter. Then click on product, then title of the motherboard name, click on subject support, then select operating system which is you required, Windows 10, 11. Select chipset driver. See, this is chipset 71 MB size. Just click to download. You can see it will start downloading. And then click to open. And this is exe chipset exe. Just double click. Click on yes. And then close it.